Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 1 Series headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Always wear protective gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight unit. Begin by opening your vehicle's bonnet and clearly locating the headlight assembly you need to work on. You might find some plastic covers or trim panels obstructing your access. Carefully remove these to expose the bulb housing. Finally, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing its release tab and pulling it straight off. This step provides clear access for the next stage. With access clear, it's time to replace the bulb. Carefully unclip or twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing, then gently pull it out. Now, take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it into the housing, ensuring it is correctly seated and aligned. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, listening for a click to confirm it's secure. This ensures proper power delivery. You're almost done. Now, carefully replace any plastic covers or trim panels that you removed earlier, ensuring they are securely fastened. Once everything is back in place, gently close your vehicle's bonnet, making sure it latches completely and safely. The final, crucial step is to test your new headlight bulb. Turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb illuminates correctly, providing clear visibility for your journeys ahead. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.